Are you kidding me, bro? I've wasted my entire week doing this garbage.
You're tripping, bro. The page must be broken. Just hit the refresh button.
Okay, I'm hitting refresh right now. You better not be trolling me. When people start affiliate marketing for the first time, they always do it completely the wrong way. Just use paid ads, bro. That has to be the worst advice for someone starting out. Why? Because first of all, we have no money to run paid ads. And second of all, running profitable ads is hard. So in this 7-day challenge, I'm going to try affiliate marketing completely from scratch. I can't spend any money, and I'm also not allowed to use any of my current social media following. Hey, what's up? Bro, how has your side hustle been going? Horrible, bro. Every business I try just completely flops. I've tried dropshipping, SMMA, Amazon FBA, and it just never works out. Have you tried affiliate marketing yet? No, what's that? It's totally awesome, bro. I will send over the link to the video. You're gonna make bank. Okay, let's see. Hustlers University, Escape the Matrix. Bro, what the hell is this? It's Hustlers University affiliate marketing, bro. Get out of here. You're just getting me to use your link so you can make a commission off me. Nah, bro. Affiliate marketing is totally legit. I'm trying to help a brother out. This idiot is totally trying to scam me again. Should I buy the affiliate marketing course or should I try something else instead? Whatever, let's do it. This better not be like that NFT rug pull you made me buy last year. I lost everything going in on that garbage. Rookie mistake, I know, boys. I have a feeling that this is a Ponzi scheme, but I'm desperate, bro. We gotta make it out the hood. I got started with researching this affiliate marketing thing, and that's when I met my mentor. Have you met the mentor yet? Yeah, I'm looking at his channel. Everything seems too good to be true. Make 7 million per second while nutting into a sock. This seems fake, bro. Nah, bro, he's the top G. Top G, bro. He will make you bank. Easy. This whole make money online thing seemed a little fake to me, but I decided to venture deep into the trenches to see it for myself. Okay, so we got the first video of the course right here.
The easiest way that you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using chat.
So after a few hours of going through the video training with my new mentor, the plan was simple. Go to TikTok, find viral videos in your niche, and just copy and paste it into Pinterest with a link to your product. It seemed like it was very low effort to the point where it wouldn't work. Could you really just copy paste videos and make a ton of money? But it seemed like a lot of people were doing it and finding good success. So I decided to give it a shot. Okay, so the first step is for me to pick my niche. I'm currently interested in learning how to make money online, so I chose the online business niche. Next, I need to pick the affiliate offer to promote. What is something that someone in my niche would use? Well, I currently use ClickFunnels to set up my website. So I got my affiliate link for ClickFunnels, I put it in my Pinterest bio, and we were ready to get started. So we got my Pinterest account right here. It's called Giga Money with the Giga Chad profile pic. We got the description. I took my landlord to dinner to thank him for raising my rent. I needed that push. Time to grind, brah. So the most stereotypical Sigma male grind set bro line right there. Let's see how it goes. Hey, what's up? Have you seen the Pinterest affiliate marketing module yet? Yeah, I'm on that right now, actually. I've made my first video and I'm about to hit publish. Hit publish, bro. You are going to make bank. Trust me, the guru never lies. Okay, whatever. Let's do it. Bro, my video completely flopped. This is a scam. Bro, you think you can post your first video and make sales? You have no patience, bro. Go back and make 6 more and then come back and talk. Yeah, maybe I was being a little impatient, but it felt like this business model was too simple to get any results. Just copy and paste videos. It can't be that easy. I'm just gonna post more and then see what happens. Then I can make my mind up. So I got to work and started making some more videos. So it has been a week now. I posted 1 video per day. And yeah, it has been garbage. None of my videos were able to break the 100 view mark, so I don't really see how this is going to work out. Maybe I haven't been doing it long enough, but part of me feels like I'm better off just creating my own content instead of doing this copy and paste tactic. Bro, Pinterest is overpowered. Look what happened. My video got 1 million views. Too easy. This amazing side hustle will make you $100,000 per day. And that's not it, bro. You will also gain 3 extra inches to your PP, bro. Easy, overpowered. Just use AI, fully automated, jerk off, make money. Easy. That video was trash, bro. That's not gonna help anyone. I was beginning to get mad. How could my friend just upload complete garbage and go viral, and meanwhile I'm sitting here like a loser? Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get many views just reposting content. I probably need to make my own content from scratch. But that's too much work. Nah, bro, I just need to upload more. So I pumped out another 7 videos, and what happened next will shock you. Bro, you lied to me. Pinterest copy and paste affiliate marketing sucks. I uploaded 14 videos and I didn't even get 100 views. Nah, bro, it must be a glitch or something. Hit refresh and see. No. Okay, so copy and paste Pinterest affiliate marketing sucks. You can't shortcut your way to getting rich. If you want to see how to actually make money with affiliate marketing, then check out a legit affiliate marketing challenge that I did. I will put it up on the screen for you to watch next.